Hey guys, you'll never guess what I got. Hi guys, it's Liv. Today I have a super fun unboxing for you guys, and it is the Rayban Meta glasses. I am so excited that I have these because sometimes filming in public can be really awkward, but with these, no one will even notice that you're vlogging, and I can comfortably film my videos without feeling like people are looking at me holding out a camera. I did get these as a Christmas gift, so a huge shout out to my parents because this is the best, coolest gift I ever could have gotten. And I did get the glasses in the color shiny black and clear, so they're not sunglasses. They're just going to look like glasses. And it does come with the glasses, the charging case, and a cleaning cloth. I'm not going to talk too much about the actual product before opening it because, to be honest, I don't know much about it other than the basic details. So we're going to be opening and learning about it together. It does say on the box that this product is made to be paired with an iPhone, so that's great for me because I luckily do have an iPhone. But if you're someone who doesn't have an iPhone, that is something that you should note before buying this product because it seems like it is made for the iPhone. I have been holding off opening this product since Christmas because I wanted to open it with you guys. I simply can't wait any longer. Let's open it. Okay, so I just took the glasses out of the packaging, and the packaging itself is really cool. Here are the glasses. I haven't taken them out of the case yet, but when you open it, this lights up. So that's really cool. I'm assuming that that is how I'm going to know if it's fully charged or not. Let's take the glasses out. I'm trying to make this aesthetic, but I'm struggling a little bit. Okay, let's take them out. Take two. Here they are. As you can see, they just look like normal everyday glasses, but little do people know these have cameras in them. I'm not quite sure what the setup process is like, or if it's long, or if I just put them on and they're already working. Let's take these off. It just spoke to me. Oh my god. Okay, well, this is them on. Like I said, they just look like everyday glasses. If you are someone who is tech knowledgeable, you probably will notice that they are the Rayban Meta glasses. But for the average Joe who doesn't know these exist, I think these are pretty subtle. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it just told me that the battery is at 73%. That was so good. The sound, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels like it's in my brain. That's the only way I know how to describe speaker sounds like. Now that I have them on, I did put two and two together that there is a QR code here. So I'm gonna scan it with my iPhone and see where it takes me. Let's do it together. So it looks like there is an app for this, which I assumed would be the case. It's the Meta View app, so I'm gonna get the app and take it from there. I'm gonna screen record from my phone so you guys can see the process, but I'm gonna open up the app now. Looks cool. We're getting started. Since it is Meta, it's through Facebook/Instagram, so I guess that makes sense. So I'm gonna log into my account. Now that we're logged into our Meta account, we can get started on setting up the glasses. So I'm gonna click Rayban Meta because that's what I have. Blue LED turned on. Remove the protective tab and leave the glasses inside the case. So I have to put them back into the case before getting started. Okay, that took way longer than it should have, but finally it found my glasses. I just had to troubleshoot again because the blue light disappeared and wouldn't come back. I'm pressing connect before it disappears again. It is now activating. Please excuse all the fingerprints on my phone. Okay, I'm completing the connection, installing the update. The update is gonna take 4 minutes, so I'll see you guys in 4 minutes. Now that the glasses are all set up, paired, connected to my phone, and ready to go, I'm sure you guys are wondering what the camera quality looks like, so I'm gonna test out taking a photo and taking a video. So let's do it. First, I'm gonna go ahead and take a photo of what I'm looking at right now. Okay, so I just took a picture. I'm gonna put the picture right here. I was looking at the quality before, and the quality is actually seemingly really good quality. So I'm very happy about that because I was worried that maybe it would be a little grainy or anything like that, but quality looks really, actually very nice. I haven't seen the quality of videos yet, so I'm gonna try and take a video really quickly and see what that looks like. So to take a video, I just press and hold. I think it's videoing now. Oh yeah. So you can see that there's a flashing light. That means it's videoing, and they do have settings to do automatic stop at, I think, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and now 3 minutes. And I'm really happy they have a 3-minute option now because I'm probably gonna be using that. So let's stop the video. The last and final thing that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is the charger that comes with it, and I believe it also comes with the glasses cleaner. So we're going to take that out together. Comes in this spot right here. Here's the cleaner. Has, of course, the Rayban logo on it. I don't know if you guys can see it that well. And then on the other end is the charger. Or is this the manual? This is actually the manual. Would have been lovely if I found the manual 50 minutes ago. Okay, so I don't know if I earlier said that it came with a charger, but I lied. It does not come with a charger, which is a little bit frustrating. I don't know when tech companies decided to stop giving us the tools we need to actually use the things that we buy. But anyway, luckily I have the newest iPhone, so I already have a USB-C charger. That is what's required for this charging case. Keep that in mind also when you're buying these, but other than that, I love them so far. I cannot wait to use these. My vlogs are going to be so cool. And stay tuned because I'll be filming some vlogs with these coming up soon, and I'll be posting them for you guys to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Meta Ray-Ban unboxing video, and I will see you guys next video. Bye!